All right, another episode of Man Tips. This is going to show you how to drain the oil out of a Honda generator. Engine is a Honda GX390. Comes with this Black Max 8450. So just went through Hurricane Ida. This bad boy had to run for about 7 days. Got power back. Thanks for all the linemen, all that hard work out there, giving everybody's power back. So to do this job, what you're going to need is you're going to need a 12 millimeter to take this drain plug off, a socket. You're going to need some Tim W30 oil. Now you don't need this much. You don't need this much. You should need maybe just a little over a quart, but I use it for other stuff around here, so I went ahead and bought in bulk. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do, and you're also going to need a drain pan. It's kind of tough to get something small under here, so if you're from Louisiana, this might look familiar to you. This is a crawfish tray. I'm going to have to make sure I clean this really good afterwards, but don't tell my wife that we're going to potentially crawfish off of here next season. All right, so what you want to do first is you want to always open the vent, give it somewhere to go. And you can see after running, that oil is pretty black. So you're just going to kind of come right here. And you're going to, no, should be, oh, don't want to come. Oh, ha. All right. Bang my hand against the ground right there. And should start seeing it come out. And there it comes. And you see, like after it runs for hours, you know, you got to make sure you change. Look how dirty that oil is. I mean, these things work really, really hard, so you need to take care of them. Last thing you want to be is in the middle of a storm and all of a sudden getting in a bind. So I'm going to let this drain for a little while, and then I'll show you how to add oil back to it. All right, now that it's drained out, we'll go ahead and put the drain plug back in. You can check the gasket on it. You might, and you can see this one, if it focuses, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. I changed it last time I changed the oil, so I'm going to give it another run because it really doesn't run that much with that on there. I'll go ahead and snug that up. And see, what I got here is a funnel. It's kind of hard to get there because it's kind of angled. So my funnel is actually long, so I'll just bend it up like this and slowly fill. Put about a quart in it. And after I put a quart in, I'll show you how to check it. And we'll go from there. So as I tighten this up with the 12 millimeter and I put the oil in, I'm going to need two hands, so I won't show it on this video. Alright, to check it, to make sure you got plenty of oil, what you'll do, screw this bad boy in. And screw it out. And you see, I got to bring it in a little bit, but you can see where the line is. It's a pretty good spot on the dipstick. Looks like it's right in the middle. Put just about a quart in there. It says it contained 1.2, so you can put a little bit more if you really want to, but it should be good. And now next time before you run it, you'll just check the oil, run it, and you want to check your oil level every day. But that's it. Piece of cake. Now the generator can get packed up and wait for the next goddamn storm.